Verifying your Solflare wallet is a crucial step to ensure that your wallet is legitimate and secure. While Solflare doesn't have a formal verification process like exchanges do, there are a few important steps you can follow to ensure that your wallet is set up correctly and that you are accessing it safely. Install the official Solflare wallet. Ensure that you downloaded the Solflare wallet app from the official website or authorized app stores. Avoid third-party sources to prevent phishing scams. Back up your seed phrase. When creating your wallet, Solflare will provide you with a 12-word recovery phrase. Write this phrase down and store it in a secure, offline location. Your seed phrase is the key to recovering your wallet if you lose access. Never share it with anyone. Check your wallet address. After setting up the wallet, verify that your wallet address is valid. You can do this by sending a small amount of SOL or tokens to your wallet and ensuring they are received. Additionally, check that the wallet address matches the one in your Solflare account. Enable two-factor authentication. Solflare allows you to enable extra security, such as 2FA for additional protection on platforms that support it.